Hello everyone! We're here and we're going to the Garin Farm. But anyway, before anything else, ay mag-breakfast muna kami bago kami papasok sa loob. Ante, saka ante? Andyan si ante din niya, kasama namin. So dito kami mag-breakfast. Nag-acopar kami ng jeep. Ayan, so syempre nandiyan din si Dudong ko. Ayan, kasama din siya. Hola! Oh, si ante, hila ante.
Hi.
Bije! Hello, ayan si mother. The entrance of the Garin Farm, so we're going inside and we're going to show you the inside of Garin Farm. So let's go. Welcome, we are here now in Garin Farm, so let's go inside and let's see what's inside. So here we're going to the inside. So this is, they are all my family. So nice. Look. No, es el patrón de
Madrid.
De Madrid.
15 de mayo, gran fiesta.
Su cumpleaños 15 de mayo.
15 de mayo.
Isidro, Mayo, pista. Para sa mga kasama.
Sí. Okay, so we are here now. Sa Isidro Labrador. Yes. Okay, so let's go. Dito, diretso. Let's go. ¿Tú quieres hacer foto aquí? Aro, ¿quieres hacer foto? Mira, ahí, mira, esta fruta de filipino. Se llama Miracle Fruit.
Por culo.
Okay, so here we have here Miracle Fruit. Here, wow, so big, and also the cocoa. And let's go, proceed. So this is a modern Ilonggo farmer. So nice. Let's go. Let's go! So let's go to the stairway to heaven. So but before that guys, we can see all of this. Before tayo aakyat sa stairway to heaven, meron silang cafeteria dito. And there are some things there. And here, we're here. Let's go there. You will see that. And they're so nice. And syempre, before you go up there, you have to come this way. And that's the stairway to heaven. See? Wow! As in wow! Okay, so that's a very high, guys. We're going up there. Espera.
Vamos.
Ay, espera.
Cansa.
1, 2 y
3.
3. Venga.
A few moments later.
Okay, so let's go up there, guys.
Si video?
Okay lang. Sige na, saka na ka mo. Okay? Okay. So, let's go up there, guys. Tingnan natin kung kaya natin akyatin hanggang sa taas. This is so high, so taas. Wow. This is the nativity, the birth Christ.
Luego, cuando estemos en España, me pasas todo vídeo.
Vale. Nativity Christ. This is a nativity Christ. So nice, right? Oh, we're here. Mama Mary, Papa Jesus. Today is Lord God birthday. So here we are. And let's proceed upstairs. Di na sila? Andin sila? Okay, so let's go up there. Let's go up there. Let's see. Wow! So tired. I don't know. But so tired, so tired. Because this is so top. Oh no, no. Okay. More steps to go. But we have to grab this opportunity. Because this is once in a lifetime. Okay. Muy cansado. Uy, qué calor. Okay, so this is Domingo de Ramos. This is Jerusalem. It's Jerusalem. Okay. So go up more. Up more. More. Woo! Inside.
¿Y la abuela?
No lo sé porque creo ellos no quiero. Porque con muy alto Creo ellos no quieren subir aquí. Uf. Turutun. Uf. Okay. Ah, qué cansado. Vaya. Ah. Yo dicho aquí. Muy largo. Okay. Okay. This is us. Oh, stairway to heaven. This is called stairway to heaven. And ayan guys, naka-half na tayo. Halfway na tayo. Ooh. And that's my sister, my youngest sister, and my nephew behind me, and also there my partner Haro and my nephew. Okay, so let's go up. Ay, malapit na tayo. Stairway to heaven. Nakakaakyat tayo sa heaven. And this is the Last Supper. This is the Last Supper. This is the Last Supper. Okay, now let's go. Over here, so beautiful. Look at that. So nice, so beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, let's continue. Malapit na tayo, guys. Ay, malapit na tayo sa heaven. Okay, nakita nyo, guys. Andyan na yung cross. Okay, dito naman is Kasakit sa Garden. Agony in the Garden. Okay, so this is it. This is the agony in the garden. Okay. This is it. Okay. So ako guys ay hinihingal guys sa kakaakyat sa taas. Pero malapit na natin mararating yung heaven. Heaven. We're here now. So very high. Oh my gosh. Let's go up. Woo! Let's go. Okay, so here is the scourging at the pillar. Paglatigo sa haligi. So, ayan guys. Di na sila, mother? Ayaw nila? Ayaw? Ayaw? Ato na? Okay, so let's proceed. Let's proceed. Yes, we're here. Okay, we're here. Okay, so this is the crucifixion. Pagtal-tal. Okay, so here. This is. Okay, so let's go. Let's proceed. Lapit na tayo. Okay, let's go. Where are you going? The Jesus is there. The resurrection. Kapoy. Here is Pagkayab. Ascension. Ascension. Okay. A little bit more. And we're almost here now. So nice. Look. Saan ang punta? Baka nakapasok na doon sa loob. Excited yun eh. Sa loob. Lakad na, let's go. Let's go.
Mama!
Let's go. Hello.
Hindi si Mama kaya.
Venga, vamos. Vamos, vamos. Proceed, proceed. Yes. We're here. We're here. We're here. We're here. Hot here. Jesus, I trust in you. I trust in you. Venga, vamos. Hola. And that's my son. Vamos.
Ya, terminó aquí.
No, dentro. De blanco, ya te dicho. Está dentro. Uy. So here, look at this. Mira, mira, mi amor. ¿Tú has visto
¿Qué?
la playa?
Ya he visto yo playa.
Sí, está muy...
Grande.
Sí, qué mona, ¿no?
Bebé.
Qué mona. Okay, so we're going inside here. Thank you for Garden Farm. This is a dark meditation tunnel. Wala kang makikita dito, guys. Mi amor. Teka. And wala kang makikita dito. There's nothing here. Just go in. Just go in. Just go inside and you will see the light here. Jesus Christ. Go. Lakad na, lakad mo, lakad na. Oo. Let's go inside.
Ibon bon na. Dito may get.
Basta baba.
Gapa sa ka na.
Oo.
Wow.
Let's go here. We're here. And we are here now. Look what's inside here. Look. Look, look, look. Mi amor. Aleluya. Aleluya. ¿Contenta? Ay, me alegro mucho. A ver. Aleluya, aleluya. Venga. And we are here now. Look, look, look. sir photo. Hello. Hello.
Nagtigi sila dito.
Okay. Hindi ka mo ta magwa. May. Bawal dira magagi sulod.